Hey Kickstarter, we're back! Since 2011, you've helped us bring 7 incredible projects to life. And now, we're back with our biggest, boldest idea yet. Introducing the Foldio4. Just unfold the light box and connect the magnetic flaps. The new 2-color backdrops make setting up a breeze. Setup is 5 times faster than the average photo studio, which saves you tons of time. Yes, Foldio4 boasts a massive 35-inch shooting area. Giving you ample space to capture even the largest products. But it folds down to only 4-inch compact size. You can easily store it anywhere around you. The new Foldio4 comes with built-in high diffused LED light. This 300 more powerful LED chips, supplying 120 watts, one of the brightest photo studios on the market. This all-new designed halo bar is now 18 inches and has a durable aluminum casing. They can be positioned around your product to create lighting effects like shadows. With a 4-channel dimming controller, 2 channels on it, and comes with an additional 2 channels halo bar. You'll have ultimate control over your lighting, whether you're a professional or just starting out. And don't forget, Foldio4 also works with the Foldio360 turntable, and extension plate for even more 360 photography. The Foldio360 will automatically rotate your product. Expand your creative possibilities with Foldio4 360 Studio. No limits. Shoot anywhere, any size. Only with Foldio4, your perfect photo studio.